Hey guys, today I am going to show you the best meal prep containers. We're going to go over the ones that I use, the ones you see on this channel, and the ones that I've tested, and a couple of new ones I know you're going to love. There are two types of meal prep containers out there. Obviously, there are glass meal prep containers and there are plastic meal prep containers. I particularly love the glass type. If you are microwaving your food or you need to heat it up, the glass option stands out best to time, and also it is dishwasher safe. The biggest advantage of plastic meal prep container is clearly that they stack really well and they take up a lot less room in your pantry or cabinet in your kitchen. The first meal prep container is this rectangular glass container. I love it because, as mentioned earlier, glass really lasts a long time. It is dishwasher safe, it is freezer safe, but it also locks like this, so it's really easy to transport and close up. It is perfect for layered meals and all of those meal prep videos that we all love online, and I have some in this channel which I'll link below for you. These come 5 to a pack, and I'll make sure to link those right below this video. An alternative to this rectangular shape is a plastic version, which is really easy to find online. I like it because it's stackable and it's also divided, so it's super helpful to separate your food. Plus, it's also freezer friendly, which means yes, you can microwave it, but that is a personal choice whether or not you microwave plastic. These are really affordable and you get 10 in a pack. We're gonna move on to another glass option that I really like, is our glass locking bowls. They're a bit larger in size than the rectangular glass containers, which means they hold a little bit more food. They are great for salads and, of course, soups, which you can then microwave and heat them up. They come 3 to a pack, so I'll make sure to link those right below this video for you. These are a great option for bigger appetites or even big salad bowls like the ones I love. These plastic lunch boxes are really great also for meal prep, especially school lunch or simple office lunches where maybe you have a sandwich or a wrap. You see me make tons of meal prep videos for school lunches on this channel. So I've been using these for a long time. They've been really durable for me, and they're also inexpensive, and you get 4 to a pack. And of course, if you're meal prepping your food, you are gonna need something to hold your dressings, little extra seasoning, and just really separate some of the things that you may not warmed up. So if you have like our amazing buffalo chicken salad, like the one you'll see on this channel, you may not want the dressing on the meal prep container. So I have a small lidded container, which I usually fill with dressing. Now there are 2 options out there. One, it is a screw top. So a lot of people like these a lot, and they're really small and easy to throw in any of these containers. And this other option right here pops open by simply lifting it away from the corner. These you get 4 to a pack, and these come in a pack of 8. They are, again, small lidded containers. They are leak proof, so they're great for anything liquid or just simply a few chocolate chips you may wanna take with you in your lunch. All right, so now I wanna hear from you. What are some of your favorite things to meal prep in these containers? How many days do you meal prep at a time? Tell me all those things right below the video in the comments. And while you're down there, hit the red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week. See you next time.